man.
So honey, I bought a boat today.
You what?
I can flip it.
Jake Thompson.
I'm sleeping on this boat tonight, aren't I? Hold, steady.
Ugh, that's nasty.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Getting there. Looking good. Perfect. Nice. Ready? Lift. Easy, easy, down. Perfect. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful work. Perfect line. This is gonna look sick. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Hell yeah. Let's go. Wow, that's crystal clear. Wow, that's crystal clear. Woo! This is Essex. She's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. Nummer 6 will blick in the outward wedding. Perfect.
When I first found this boat, everyone thought I was crazy. My wife said, "You're an idiot." But this is what happens when you don't give up. Absolutely worth every minute.
Yes, let's go.
First, smash that subscribe button down below. Second, hit that bell icon for notifications. Third, drop a comment right now and tell me, what should I restore next? You've got this. I believe in you. I'll see you in the next one.